So you guys can see it right now. Yeah, take a look at the article. Look at the title. Worldcoin to launch new orb to make its eyeball scanning device look more friendly. So I guess it looks more like an enemy right now. People don't trust looking into a scanning device that doesn't look pleasing. Especially if you're going to look at it, if you're going to look into it for it to get your information, for it to verify who you are, you might want to look at something more pleasing. Would you agree? Apparently, that is what the CEO of Worldcoin thinks, because the next iteration will look similar to an Apple product. You know how Apple have all their iPhones and iTunes products and devices and iPads. What colors do they range in usually? Yeah, they got a plethora of varying colors for all of their devices. Maybe that's what the CEO of Worldcoin is going to do. You might have a silver eyeball scanning device, red, pink, orange, black, yellow. Yeah, all these particular type of colors, just to make sure that your eye scanning pleasure is satisfied. 180 days into Worldcoin going public, they're already revamping up their device. Isn't that amazing? Now the next orb will roll out the first half of this year and would have alternative colors and form factors in an effort to look much more friendly. Overall, it's going to look way more tuned down and similar to an Apple product. So apparently the eye scanning device is busy. Tools for Humanity is the company that created Worldcoin, the crypto project founded by Belina, Sam Altman, and Max Noverstern. To date, it has raised about $250 million. It's a lot of money to get off the ground. So take a look at the image of the scanning device. This is at a strictly VC event. Venture capital, people with the money, people who's going to back this particular project are here in the building taking a look at the prototype or the product that Worldcoin is going to offer. Over the past 7 days, more than 190,000 new accounts were created and about 3.13 million people total have signed up for Worldcoin. That's according to the website. Do you trust the website? Sign-ups last 7 days looks pretty hot. It looks pretty high, 190,000. So what does it look like for the cryptocurrency though? Yeah, Worldcoin has a cryptocurrency and it's traded on Binance. Let's take a look at it real quick. So here's the price action into the market of Worldcoin. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? What's your feelings? Do you think the refurbished, or should I say new prototype of the scanning device for Worldcoin, is that going to bring in more value to where more people feel comfortable signing up to use Worldcoin? And if it translates well and the public sees that it looks decent and is friendlier, maybe that could put the price up in Worldcoin. What do you guys think? Let's talk about it real quick, because we did a price prediction in Worldcoin right here on 20th of November, and we was looking for the market in Worldcoin to go down, and instead of going lower, you guys can see it for yourself, it went up. So yes, our price prediction back in November did not work out, unfortunately. So now let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction and talk about the price action since then. Let's go ahead and clean this up. First thing we're going to do, I just wanted to show you quickly how the price in Worldcoin is trading below our trend line. It's not good. Next thing we're going to do is create a couple of areas that we suspect to see increase in selling. Okay, that's the first thing we're going to do. These are the two biggest sell zones right here though. And for the time being, I want to show you that this is where the buyers currently are holding the price. Okay, that's where they're at. Next level for us to see the buyers into the market in Worldcoin right around here. Okay, so let's look at this on the weekly chart real quick. I want to see how weak the market looks in Worldcoin. Or bullish. What do you guys think about this? Would you be bullish or bearish? Or you can also be mixed to where you just think the market's going to consolidate and not do too much. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Worldcoin on the 3, 5, monthly. I really think the 5 weeks is exhibiting a little bit more weakness due to that 5-weekly bar, and even on the monthly time frame. I think both those time frames exhibiting a little bit more weakness than strength than what most people would like to see. I like this on the 5-day chart. So maybe on the daily time frame, we can see the price action in Worldcoin actually begin to go up, but only to test this sell zone up here. Okay, that's pretty much what I'm seeing right now. It doesn't mean that the longer term purview, i.e. the monthly perspective onward, is still not weak, because that's definitely being exhibited on the longer term charts too. So it's all about the preference looks like into the market in Worldcoin. You can see right now that even the market here is trying to break through this sell zone. They're trying to do it now, and they're not being too successful at it right now, but the longer that the market just hovers slightly below the sell zone, that should tell you that the market is attempting to break out and go up. Okay, so we may not be ready right now for Worldcoin. To go up. Okay, so let me do this. I'm not too bullish, but I do think that the market, at least in the near term, is attempting to go up. Okay, and our first target is going to be here at the low of this first sell zone, 13.32%. My second target is going to be at the high of $3.21, which is like 27.25% move to the upside. And I definitely don't want to see the market break this first buy zone, but if it does, we got this second one to hold. Let me extend this over, and then we'll be finished. And now you're up. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.